Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture everything live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot from me to record these videos live while I trade. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Unlike yesterday, I hope we get some good moves today in the market. The past couple of days, we're not seeing any significant moves, either to the upside or to the downside. So I hope today we get some moves as SPY and QQQ are gapping up. At market open, I would be watching SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, and Tesla. I would like the markets to actually break the pre-market high, both SPY and QQQ to break the pre-market high and continue higher. And when it happens, I'm anticipating Nvidia and Tesla to follow the same. Nvidia and Tesla both are currently trading around the pre-market high. So if we can get some move to the upside with volume and strength, I think we may have some call opportunities either on Nvidia or Tesla. So right now I don't have any levels defined because it's too early to define any levels. The pre-market action is not solid because we don't have too much volume pre-market. So I'll wait for market open to define my levels, and going into market open, my primary watch would be Tesla followed by Nvidia. We have around 9 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching. Yep, Tesla making a move. That's good. Should hit this resistance level, break it, then I may be interested. 2 minutes into market open. SPY and QQQ strong. Yep, just putting this resistance line over here. It's failing around that area. Want Tesla to break that area. So I do have 3 levels identified, but I want this candle to close strong. Only then I'm interested in a call position. Right now the markets are pulling back. It just gave back 50% of the move. So not liking it. Look at QQQ. It's a big wick that suggests weakness. If this candle closes strong, then I'll stick to my bullish sentiment. The first 5-minute candle for QQQ is red now, and SPY also red. QQQ and SPY making a comeback, but that's not translating to Tesla. SPY actually made a new high, and so does QQQ. Tesla, we do have another resistance around 1061, just marking those levels. Flipping to Nvidia for now. On Nvidia, I would be interested if the stock wants to pull back to 262 area. Jumping in, 383. I should be quick to get out. Getting out. I was not trusting it. It was a quick scalp. I got in at 383 and I got out at $4.09. A 26-cent profit. I'll take it. Now I'll keep watching for a second trade. Nvidia is having resistance around this area. Just marking those levels. And the next resistance would be around this. I think Nvidia should give me one more trade. Made a new high with strength. It's having a lot of trouble breaking new highs. I want Nvidia to touch this level 263. Watching 263.50. Placing. I didn't get an entry. Yep, I'm in. exiting. I got in at 410 and I got out at 429. 19 cents, I'll take it. As expected, we could definitely see a lack of confidence in the market. And that is the reason why I'm going for quick scalps over holding it or giving it some time. Volume is fading, and for me, I'll not be looking at Nvidia for these levels now. Tesla just broke the pre-market low. This line represents a pre-market low. I want Tesla to continue flushing. I do have two other levels identified as levels of support, and if that breaks, then I'll be interested in taking put positions in Tesla. So now watching carefully, 1020 and 1016 being my new support levels. I want Tesla to break that and then give me a pop, else I'll stay away. So now we just have one level. Yep, give me one flush and then I'll be interested. Yep, it's breaking down. I'll stick to the $1,000 strike price. Maybe I'll go with 5 contracts initially. Probably this candle is going to be the first 5-minute candle to make a new high. I think I may have to switch my strike price here. Placing an order at 630. Right now it's 650. It's hovering around 650. 630. Yep, I'm in. And now I'll add at this level, 1016. Waiting patiently. Selling half at 690. Another 3 at 680. Just holding 2 contracts now. Watching carefully. Selling. I'm out of the trade. After waiting for a long time, finally I got a good trade. Looking at the trade, I got in around 630. I got some out at 690, $7 and 680. I think that was a really good trade. Around 70 cents in profits. Now it's slowly grinding up, and that to me is not a great setup. So I think I'll wrap up my trading for the day. $1,000 is good and I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.